We need to start again here. In last class, I explained what happens in photosynthesis. And I told you all to know that during photosynthesis, what do plants need?
Need their
What do
food.
plant need? Plant needs carbon dioxide, plant needs water and sunlight. These are the three main things. That's why
They need also oxygen, right?
yes, they release out oxygen and sugars. I told you, remember, because we are learning photosynthesis and plants make their own food. While plants make their own food, what do they need, girls? They need
water,
carbon dioxide, that is CO2. And then I told they need water. Without water, they cannot prepare their own food. And also they need sunlight. They need sunlight. I clearly told you all, you must know the formulas now. Carbon dioxide is CO2. You need to write carbon C with capital letter, oxygen O with capital letter. That is CO2 plus water is H2O. H capital, O capital. 2 must be small next to it. Carbon dioxide plus water and sunlight. It gives you what?
Miss, the photosynthesis is water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, sugar, and
Wait a
oxygen,
second.
right?
Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight. When you, and what they produce with this? They produce this food, that's sugar. That is sugar. They produce sugar. And what do they produce? Oxygen.
Oxygen.
And this oxygen, I take it, right? We take it, okay? So this is what I told you. This you have to know very well, girl. This is the most important part of photosynthesis. That plants, you can read this. When you read this, you can see everything in this equation. We call this as equation. When you see plus sign and you see this arrow mark, we call this as equation. So plants capture light energy from sun and change this to chemical energy. These sugars, how are this sugar made? From water and carbon dioxide. When I read the sentence, don't you think so it's in the equation? The sugar are made from water and carbon dioxide. And what gas is given out? Because given out is after the arrow mark. What gas is given out? Oxygen gas is given off into the air. Oxygen gas is given off into the air. Okay?
Okay.
Now, in many plants, photosynthesis takes place in the leaf. Chlorophyll, which is located in the chloroplast, capture light energy. So chlorophyll, it is present in which is present inside the chloroplast. That is where the photosynthesis is going on, especially in leaf. This light energy is converted to chemical energy in sugar. This is what's happening, girls. In the leaf, you have chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast, you have chlorophyll, and that chlorophyll is actually taking the light, sunlight, to make food, and it is converted into, the light energy is converted into chemical energy. Do you want me to repeat? Do you understand or do you want me to repeat?
Understand.
Okay, good. Now see here, girls. Energy from sunlight powers the process of photosynthesis. The light energy is converted to chemical energy, stored in the bonds of sugar molecules made during photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in organelles called, where do photosynthesis take place? In chloroplasts. And chloroplasts are found in cells of plants. Are they present in cells of animals?
No.
Chloroplasts are only found in plant cells. They are not found in animal or fungal cell. Chloroplasts contain some pigment which is called as, this is what I explained you just now in the picture. Chloroplast contain a pigment called as chlorophyll. And chlorophyll captures energy from sunlight. Girls, you can just, try to, and excellent. I've seen Vateen making always those notes. You can just write in the steps, girls, like this. That first, what is happening? First, what is happening? The chloroplast takes light energy. Second, I'm talking about chloroplast first. Chloroplast takes light energy. Here also, girls.
Miss, I do like this.
Very good, dear. Chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. They capture energy from sunlight. This is the first point.
Miss, we have to do like this.
Then this energy is used to combine, you can highlight with, this energy is used to combine carbon dioxide and water. And what does it form? It forms glucose and oxygen gas. It forms glucose and oxygen gas. Girls, write this equation 5 times and practice. You need to know without seeing. 6 CO2, 1 carbon atom, 2 oxygen atom, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Girls, Malak, if I ask you to read this, what is this? C6?
What, Miss?
Read this. C6?
C for carbon dioxide.
Just read this. C6, H12O6. Tell me the same.
C6, H12O6.
That means 6 carbon atoms,
12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms.
So you can say sugar molecule contains 6 carbon atoms, or sugar compound contains 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen. Here you can say oxygen contains 2 atoms of oxygen here. 6 molecules of oxygen contains, okay, got it? You will read it like that. Anyways, is this equation very clear to all of you?
Yeah.
Photosynthesis, what is coming out? See, they have shown you the direction, girls, here. They have even shown you the direction. What comes out in photosynthesis? What comes out? What is released out? I'm sorry. What is released out in photosynthesis? Sugar
and oxygen.
See, like example in your test, of course, I'm not giving in your, what you call as drawings in your quizzes, but in the, like if you see this picture, this is a chloroplast. What comes in? Water and carbon dioxide. What is before the arrow? Water, carbon dioxide, light. And what goes out? Sugar goes out and oxygen goes out. I can just ask you in words what goes in and what goes out. What is produce? Produce means what comes out? Oxygen and sugar. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Any question here, girls?
No.
I can just directly show you the video now. And tomorrow I'll start with cellular respiration. That is exactly opposite to the. Now, girls, before showing the video, I want to show you the virtual lab.
The virtual lab?
See, because we are not going to lab, at least we can see things.
Miss, are you in the school?
No. I mean, virtual lab means online. What happened to this?
Oh my God. If in the school, you can open the camera and then
But even if I'm at school, I cannot show you the cells through the microscope. Understand my point?
Yeah.
Welcome to the lesson, Observing Photosynthesis. In this lesson, you'll investigate 2 important biological processes, photosynthesis
Girls, one second. I want to show the virtual lab. Why is it not coming? Is it the same? Yeah, I think this is.
Welcome to the lesson, Observing Photosynthesis. In this lesson, you'll investigate two important biological processes, photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Everything that lives needs and uses energy. All life forms need to capture energy, store energy, and later release it. How do you think organisms capture and store energy?
Tell me, how do
How
you
do you
think
think organisms use
they get
and
energy?
release
It
this energy?
capture energy
Type your answer
from
in the
the
box,
sunlight.
then click OK.
Here, organisms, okay, through sunlight. And you can say food, right?
Yeah, but Miss, it captured the chlorophyll capture energy.
Here, simple.
from
They're
this.
talking about they have shown you a cheetah here, and they have shown you
Yeah,
organism. And how do they store energy? And how do
sunlight, food,
they release it?
by food.
By maybe sweating. They release energy.
Yeah.
Let us check.
These two questions will guide this lesson. Move on to find out more. These two questions point to two vital biological processes. In photosynthesis, plants capture solar energy to make sugars, which store chemical energy. In cellular respiration, plants and animals use these sugars to release energy and fuel cellular activities. Without these processes, life forms on Earth would not be able to live. Click the buttons to see how these two processes are related. In photosynthesis, light energy from the sun is captured by the chlorophyll in plants and converted into chemical energy. Plants take up the gas carbon dioxide, or CO2, from the air. They also take up water, or H2O. In the presence of light energy from the sun, CO2 and H2O chemically combine to form sugar. These sugar molecules, represented by the chemical formula C6H12O6,
Remember this.
store chemical energy. Oxygen gas, O2, is given off by the plant during photosynthesis. For this reason, measuring the release of oxygen can be used to measure the rate of photosynthesis.
So let's quickly take a paper, draw a leaf, and show what is coming in. Put the direction inside and what is going out. Quickly draw a plant like this and show me in photo. Write down photosynthesis and write down what is coming in and what is going out. Quickly.
Miss, can I do it in a sticky note?
Yeah, it's okay. You can turn on your cameras and do it.
Okay.
Or if you want, you don't want to show yourself, just draw it and show it to me on your camera.
Okay, Miss.
Quickly.
Okay.
Simple. Draw a plant like this and explain me what goes inside during photosynthesis and what goes outside, and write the formula for C6H12O6. You're not writing sugar there. C6H12O6, and you will be explaining me, Malak.
Yes.
Finish, girls?
No, it's 1 minute. Okay. First, I need to write the carbon dioxide.
C6H12O6. Carbon dioxide, you need to write CO2. Oxygen, O2. You need to make sunlight, that light enters, and carbon dioxide enters, and what else? Water. What goes out?
C2 and goes out. Need another color.
Finish, Watin?
No, miss.
O2. O2. Done. It's not the best method.
It's okay, my dear. Now, one second. Did you write up there photosynthesis? Right on the heading? And at home, you will send me, you'll make it properly and send me later the mobile on the WhatsApp.
Look, miss.
1 second, Malak. 1 second. Yes, Malak. Can you explain me?
The carbon dioxide goes in the plants and oxygen goes out of the plants.
Okay, is it only carbon dioxide going inside? Taken in by the...
No, carbon dioxide and sunlight.
So can you just write there sunlight? Sunlight, carbon dioxide, and also one more thing, Malak.
Yes.
Carbon dioxide, sunlight, and
the sugars go out.
very good, dear Malak. Watin. Next, you will explain me. Come on, show me.
Okay, so here the
Carbon dioxide, and one more thing.
sunlight.
Water. Show the drops of water. Malak. And tell me that carbon dioxide, water,
Carbon dioxide,
and sunlight enters. Is taken up by the plant. Watin, I will give you next chance and you will explain. Okay, Watin?
Okay.
Yes, Malak, continue. Come on.
Okay.
Explain again.
Carbon dioxide and sunlight and water goes in the plant, and oxygen and sugars go out.
Okay, do you know the formula for sugar?
The process is called photosynthesis.
Excellent, excellent. Watin, can you explain me next?
Okay. So here is the carbon dioxide and the sugar come inside, and the oxygen go outside. And in
Watin, do sugar come inside the plant? Is sugar?
Miss, I put sugar inside.
No, carbon dioxide.
No, sugar goes out of the plant.
Yes, carbon dioxide with water and sunlight comes inside. And what is given out? Oxygen and sugar. Lean?
Yeah?
Can you explain, Lean? Don't show me your face.
Okay.
Come on, now both of you.
1 second.
Lean, you don't show me your face, but you explain me. And please write the formula.
Okay. Just 1 second. chemist